So the big question I keep getting nowadays is, why should I hire you when I can just use AI tools and AI agents such as ChatGPT, Claude or DeepSeek to build an app myself? And I get it because every single week there's a new video coming out of an AI agent that can supposedly build a full stack app while you sip a coffee. And it looks like magic. And you might be thinking, why not just skip the developer and just let AI handle everything? Here's the thing, right? AI is powerful and AI agents are getting better. But right now, they are not replacing someone who actually ships complex apps that work in the real world. And let me explain why. So firstly, let me give credit when it's due. AI tools such as Claude and ChatGPT and DeepSeek are amazing at generating boilerplate code, spitting out CRUD apps or simple prototypes, acting like an extra set of hands when you're stuck. And AI agents can take it a step further where they don't just give you code snippets, they actually can give you actual plain tasks, create files, refactor code, and even create unit tests and run tests as well. So if all you want is a quick demo app or a proof of concept enough to show some potential investors, honestly, an AI agent may be enough. But here's where the hype and the reality starts to split. This is the part most people don't see on the Twitter demos out there. So the first thing I can talk about is the environment setup and the infrastructure. AI agents actually struggle with the boring but critical stuff because they don't know your laptop's exact setup, your company's network, or your build pipeline. Half the time, you spend more time fixing what actually AI broke than writing code yourself. And this also leads to optimization. So AI can generate a function that works, but it doesn't optimize for speed, battery life, or scalability. Try running an AI-generated app on 5 different Android devices and you'll quickly find out the reality. This also leads to hardware quirks as well, and this is what I specialize in, because AI doesn't debug why your Bluetooth connection dropped every 30 seconds, or why firmware updates are actually bricking devices in the field. It can guess, but it can't walk into the lab and actually test it for real. When it comes to security and compliance, an AI agent isn't going to guarantee your app passes Apple's review or the GDPR compliance. It might even hard-code secrets into your repo, and I've seen it happen in the past before. When it comes to long-term maintainability as well, AI can hand you 20,000 lines of code that can technically run, but good luck scaling that, onboarding new developers, or avoiding a giant mess of spaghetti code 6 months later when you can't clean it up. So the hidden cost of going AI only is that the things that nobody talks about is that when you only rely on AI agents, you don't save time, you shift the time. Instead of writing code now, you're debugging AI mistakes. You're reverse engineering what the AI was thinking and constantly reprompting, burning through tokens and your patience. I've personally tested a bunch of these AI app builders, and here's what I found. The first 80% comes easy, but the last 20%, that's where the difference is and the real world pain kicks in. And that's the 20% that actually makes the difference between a flashy demo and launch-ready product. So this is why even with AI, you still need expertise. You need someone who knows what to build, how to fix when it breaks, and how to make things production ready as well. Without that, you're going to be spending weeks patching holes instead of actually shipping. So to answer your question, here's what I bring to the table. I've built and shipped apps that integrate with embedded systems including Bluetooth, low energy, Wi-Fi, firmware, over-the-air firmware updates, and all the gnarly stuff that AI struggles with. When you work with me, you don't just get lines of code that might run, you get a professionally built, fully tested, launch-ready app. And yes, I do use AI and AI agents as part of my workflow, especially in 2025. Who doesn't nowadays, as they help me move faster. But I know when to trust them and I know when to override them and how to make sure that the end result actually works in the real world. That is the difference between AI built me some code and my app just got approved in the App Store and my users are loving it. So if you're serious about actually building an app that actually works in production and not just a basic demo, let's chat. There is a link in the description where you can click on the link below to book in a call with me. And AI is an amazing tool, no doubt about it, and AI agents are only going to get better as time passes. But right now, they are not a replacement for experience. So if you want to get it right the first time, let's build it properly together. This video has helped you out a lot today and answered the question on why you shouldn't be 100% reliant on AI and AI agents. Smash the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.